Polygons and their angles. What are polygons? Polygons are closed shapes with straight sides. So for example, triangles are polygons, rectangles are polygons, pentagons are polygons, and so on. Circles are not polygons. Semicircles are not polygons. They don't have straight sides. A U shape is not a polygon because it's not closed. What are regular polygons? Regular polygons are polygons where the sides are all equal and the angles are all equal. So for example, an equilateral triangle is a regular polygon. It has 3 equal sides and 3 equal angles. A square is a regular polygon because it has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. A rectangle is not a regular polygon because all the sides are not equal. What are the interior angles of a polygon? Interior means inside. So interior angles are all the angles inside a polygon. Here's a square. The 4 right angles are on the inside. Those are the interior angles of the polygon. If I have a pentagon, the interior angles are these 5 angles on the inside. Sum of interior angles means what do all the interior angles add up to in a polygon. You may know that if you have a triangle, they always add up to 180 degrees. If you have a quadrilateral, the 4 angles add up to 360 degrees. And that's because you can cut this shape into 2 triangles. The 4 angles will match up with the angles of the 2 triangles. So 180 plus 180 is 360. If you have a pentagon, that can be cut into 3 triangles. So the sum of the interior angles is going to be 3 times 180 degrees, which is 540 degrees. If you don't want to draw the shape, but you still want to know the sum of the interior angles, you can use the formula. The sum of the interior angles is equal to 180 times the number of sides minus 2. Let's check this. So let's say we want to do the pentagon. That will be equal to S equals 180 times 5 minus 2, which is equal to 180 times 3, which is the exact same amount we got by drawing the triangles. So you can either draw triangles or use the formula to find the sum of the interior angles. Here we have a hexagon and I want to find the missing angle x. First we need to know what do all the angles add up to. So I find a point at a vertex and I want to cut this hexagon into triangles. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. So the sum of the interior angles is 180 times 4, which is 720 degrees. So all the angles in this shape need to add up to 720 degrees. We can see that we got 2 right angles, so that's going to be 90 plus 90 is 180. 140 plus 130 plus 150 is 420. Adding all the angles we know, it's 600. So when we have 600 but we need to get to 720, so we need to subtract. So we get 720 minus 600 means that this missing angle is 120 degrees. What are the exterior angles of a polygon? Obviously, exterior means outside. But it's not quite as simple as interior angles. Let's say I have a parallelogram. An exterior angle is formed when you make one of the sides extended out, and it'll be this outside angle here. Notice that the outside angle and the interior angle are going to be supplementary. Let's take a triangle. The exterior angle, again, comes from extending one of the sides, and then it'll be the outside angle right here. Notice again, the exterior angle and the interior angle are supplementary, and we'll have to add to 180 degrees. Sum of exterior angles means what do all the exterior angles of a shape add up to? Let's say we started with a triangle, an equilateral triangle, which is 60 degrees all the way around. And we extend the sides so we have exterior angles. These exterior angles are going to be 120 degrees because they're supplementary with the 60 degrees. And what do they all add up to? 360 degrees. Let's take a quadrilateral. Let's take a rectangle. If you extend and make exterior angles from all the sides, the interior angles are right angles, and the exterior angles are 4 right angles that will make 360 degrees as well. You take the exterior angles of a polygon and they're going to add up to 360 degrees. Here we have a triangle. We have 3 exterior angles, and we want to find out how much x is. We just learned all exterior angles add up to 360 degrees. So we need to add together the ones we know. So 120 plus 90 is 210. And we need to take that from 360 to find this missing angle. So this missing angle, x, is 150 degrees.